Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the crucial steps you need to take to start a business in Pakistan. Now, starting a business, wherever you are in the world, can be both incredibly exciting and pretty daunting. But trust me, with the right roadmap, the journey can be incredibly rewarding. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps to get your business off the ground in Pakistan. From understanding your target market to navigating the legal landscape, we'll equip you with the knowledge and resources you need to succeed. Let's get started. Before you even think about your product, you need to understand your market. Who are you selling to? What are their needs and pain points? This is where in-depth market research becomes your best friend. Think about conducting surveys, maybe even organizing focus groups. And don't forget about your competitors. Analyzing what they're doing well and not so well can give you valuable insights. Remember, a deep understanding of your target audience is the foundation of any successful business. The more you know about your potential customers, the better you can tailor your product or service to meet their needs. Use online resources, talk to people in your community, and really immerse yourself in the world of your target market. Trust me, the time you invest in this stage will pay off massively in the long run. So, don't skip this step. Now that you have a good grasp of your market, it's time to create a solid business plan. This document is essentially your business's roadmap. It outlines your goals, your strategies, and how you plan to achieve them. Think of it as a living document that evolves as your business does. It's also crucial for attracting investors. They need to see a clear vision and a well-structured plan to feel confident about investing in your idea. Don't be intimidated by the thought of creating a business plan. There are plenty of resources and templates available online to help you get started. A good business plan should include things like an executive summary, a description of your products or services, a market analysis, your marketing and sales strategies, and your financial projections. Make sure you're being realistic and specific with your projections, and don't be afraid to revise your plan as you learn more about your business and your market. Now it's time to make it official. This involves choosing the right legal structure for your business. Are you going to operate as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a private limited company? Each structure has different legal and tax implications, so it's crucial to consult with a legal professional to determine the best fit for your specific needs. Once you've chosen a structure, you can proceed with the registration process with the relevant authorities in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, or SECP, is the primary regulatory body for company registration. They have a streamlined online process, making it relatively straightforward to register your business. Make sure you have all the necessary documents and information readily available to avoid any delays. Navigating the world of taxation and legal requirements is essential for any business, and it's particularly important in Pakistan. You need to familiarize yourself with the tax obligations for businesses, such as income tax, sales tax, and withholding tax. It's highly recommended to consult with a qualified chartered accountant or tax advisor who can guide you through the process and ensure you're compliant with all regulations. Staying on top of your tax obligations will save you potential headaches down the line. Remember, compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about building trust with your customers, investors, and the wider community. Now let's talk about funding. Starting a business often requires capital, and there are several avenues you can explore in Pakistan. Traditional bank loans are an option, but you'll need a strong business plan and a good credit history. Venture capital is another possibility, especially if you have a high-growth, scalable business idea. Pakistan has a growing startup ecosystem, and venture capitalists are increasingly interested in investing in promising ventures. Don't forget to look into government grants and support programs designed specifically for small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs. These programs often provide financial assistance, training, and mentorship opportunities to help businesses succeed. Whichever route you choose, remember that securing funding is a competitive process. You'll need a compelling pitch that clearly articulates your business idea, its potential, and why you're the right person to lead it. Be prepared to answer tough questions and demonstrate a deep understanding of your market and your business model. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the key steps involved in starting a business in Pakistan. Remember, research, planning, and compliance are your allies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Good luck with your business journey in Pakistan.